Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Kind of a unique pattern. And I don't think you'll ever draw this, but you might learn a tool or two. I'm going to take a 2-point line and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to get the 3-point curve line. I'm going to go from that node, holding down the left mouse button. And then I'm going to make that shape. I can take away this line now. Whoop, I guess it connected it. Control D, while holding down the control button, get the two-sided arrow, and then you can take away that line. Go in and take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. That completes the object and doesn't have all the parts. Now we're going to move this up and maybe make it a little bit smaller. And I am going to left-click, right-click. And that node right there is very important. Control D and duplicate, double-click on the X and put it right on that node. And then rotate it. It doesn't really matter what percentage. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and just keep going until they run out of room. Now, we want to keep a copy of this one, so I'm going to hit the plus key. Now, I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. Well, let me do this first. Let me take all this and group it together. And then take the Smart Fill tool and just fill in these every other lines. And you could do all the lines and have a different color, but on this one, I would suggest a white, and then you could kind of play with it. So by grouping that other group together, we can get rid of it. Now this is still in the center, and we really want this piece because we're going to rotate off that. But we're going to make a duplicate of it, and we're going to take this one and go to Effects, and we're going to go to Contour. We're going to contour the outside just 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to go to Object and break the contour apart. And then I want to take, well, you know what? I don't really want that one. Whoop, I didn't mean to hit that. I just did this one time. I didn't really practice. But I'm going to take the outside contour, and I'm actually going to, I messed up one of the colors. There we go. I'm going to take the outside contour and move it over. Evidently, I didn't break. I went back to where it wasn't apart. And I'm going to go, it's going to make it easier for me to go left click, right click, and do this. Now, that is going to get us some separation. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G, Control D, and then make sure you put it on that node again. And we're going to rotate it 45 degrees. And what that's going to do, we're going to have some separation when we fill in these colors. So I'm going to go ahead and group all that together. And then I'm going to get my Smart Fill tool and fill that in. So I'm going to have an edge there and an edge there that the Smart Fill can't get to because of the contour. And it's going to separate our pieces. Now, I'm going to move this out of the way. Excuse me, but I actually need to go and ungroup it so I can get this inner line. Well, let me ungroup that. Not doing a very good job here for you. I want that inner line. There we go. I want that inner line because that's our rotation. I'm going to go and just move this out of the way. I'm going to leave this line here for a second. I'm going to go and, you know what? I'm going to group my blue together, not getting all the other ones so it won't be a problem. Then I'm going to Control D and hit the X again and go right to that node. And now I'm going to rotate it this 45 degrees. And then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now I can very easily take my line away, and I have that spaced out flower, star, whatever you want to call it. And there's really a lot more you could do to this with if we would have filled in the white, and then you could make the white kind of dirty. looking, but just a pretty unique, because you've got some separation, and because the way we built it, the lines don't really match up, you know, kind of on almost on purpose. But anyway, little fun trick. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.